Hello, friends. This is Shwetank. Um, I have spoken a lot and a lot about how do you want to build your products and how do you want to build your dreams. What about an individual? Because it's important that an individual must shape himself or herself to be the better, to be to become better. There is one bigger problem I have seen all my team members and many of my colleagues they face. So the problem is called the problem of procrastination. It basically starts like this. Oh yeah, I want to do that. I want to solve this problem. Yeah, I think we should do like this. And these are a lot of important things that I think we should do. Our organization is not doing enough. I think this must be done. I think that must be done. The government should do it like this. That should be the policy should be made like that. The economic policy should change. The environmental health of the whole environment should increase and things like that and stuff like that. So people keep talking about a lot of things, but the bigger problem I see is that this is all called procrastination. I'm going to do something today. I'm going to do something today, but that day never happens because we procrastinate a lot. We fear a lot, and this is very real. What do you think? What do you also resonate the same way that I spoke about some of the problems that my team members and my colleagues feel? Let me know. What do you think about it? Have you ever thought about any problem that you really want to solve in your life or in your business, respective business that you or any of your clients' problem or the problem of the society, and you have been talking about it, you have been thinking about it, but that thought process has never come into action. Why does this happen? Because of one of the bigger problem that we all have is called the comfort zone syndrome. So if you are our mind always goes into a direction, a path of least resistance. So this is something that I just read a book called Can't Hurt Me, and it was such an amazing book. Here the author actually talks about why he was in his comfort zone despite of a lot of challenges that he has faced, and how did he overcome these challenges. So one of the biggest thing that actually stops us is the comfort zone, and then how can we get around with these comfort zones? The most important thing that we should always try when we are trying to deal with the problem of procrastination is to give ourselves a purpose, build a purpose within ourselves, and shape our pains. If there's a problem of, let's say, bad, small things like your house is completely messed up, your house is completely unorganized, and you are not able to handle your house, organize them. Watch a lot of videos, lot of sites. How other people organize their house? How can you practice organizing skills within your house to solve your problem of things getting messed up? And you don't do it because that's a problem, procrastination. You're just in your comfort zone. You just dump wherever things are. You just keep them wherever you want to keep them. And that is exactly the syndrome that everybody sees in the corporate life as well. We just don't solve our problem. We just bury them in the back, and then we just move ahead and then keep caring about it. So if you have enough motivation to solve a problem, give them a purpose, give your pains a shape, and yeah, let me know what do you think about it. What are your challenges that you see, and what are those challenges that are stopping you from taking actions? Do you have enough purpose? Have you given a thought that what can really be solved if you give them a shape, if you give your ideas and your pain points a shape? Talk to me. Thank you. Shwetank, logging off.